In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a white outline to an image in Canva. This is a great way to make your images pop and stand out, whether you're designing a presentation, social media post, or a cover for your latest project. Let's dive right into it and I'll guide you through each simple step. First, we'll start by opening your design in Canva and selecting the image you want to modify. You can do this by clicking on the image directly. Once you've clicked, you'll notice the image is highlighted, indicating that it's selected and ready for edits. This initial selection is crucial because you want to ensure you're working with the right element in your design. Next, look for the edit options that appear above the image area. You will see a button labeled Edit, which is where all the magic begins. Clicking on Edit opens up a range of editing tools specific to the image, offering various functionalities from adjustments in brightness to more advanced features like filters and effects. From the editing panel, locate the Shadows option and give that a click. Shadows can add depth to your images by providing a sense of dimension. Next, select the Outline option. This is where you can create those striking outlines around your image. Click on Outline and you'll see a few settings pop up that relate to this feature. Now with the outline selected, you'll find a Color option. Click on Color to view a palette of different colors. Here's your chance to experiment with different shades and see what layers best with your image. We're going to choose the color white today, so find and click on the white square in the palette. Once you've selected the white color, you'll notice that your image now has a clean, sharp border around it. This border helps the image stand out on almost any background, giving it a professional and polished look. Having that contrast can be especially beneficial if your design contains busy or colourful backgrounds, as it prevents the image from blending in too much. And that's it. You've successfully added a white outline to your image using Canva. Remember, you can always play around with different colours and thicknesses of the outline to find what best suits your design. This straightforward technique is not only visually pleasing but also enhances the clarity of your images so that they resonate well with your audience. Feel free to experiment more with the various features in Canva to make your projects even more striking. Thanks for watching and happy designing.